السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا بكم في مدرسة التبيان الإسلامية، حيث نبسط لكم النحو العربي. في هذا الفيديو سنتعلم كيف نعرف الفعل في اللغة العربية وفقا لكتاب الأجرومية الشهير. So today we are welcome back to the class. So today we are going to be looking at signs of verb, which is al-fa'ilu. So what are the signs to recognize, to identify a verb? So which means that when you see that signs, definitely anything that follows, or maybe anything that sign is attached to, so that is a verb, al-fa'ilu. Alright, a verb can be identified, a verb, al-fa'ilu, can be identified by four signs. Four signs. Alright, so number one is qad. Number two is ta'u ta'nis as-sakina. Ta'u ta'nis as-sakina. So we call it feminine ta. Alright? So the third one, the third sign to identify a verb is sin. Sin or sawfa. Sin or sawfa. Alright, the fourth one is ta'ul fa'il. There are three. So it's either ta with dhamma haraka, ta with fatha haraka, ta with kasra haraka. So these are the four signs of verb: qad, ta'u ta'nis as-sakina, sin or sawfa. Then we have ta'ul fa'il. So where we have ta dhamma 2, ta fatha, ta kasra t. So now let's take a look at examples. So for instance, so this qad now, so let's look at the example. We have qad zahaba. So which means he has gone. So qad zahaba. So where's the qad? So this is qad. So which means whenever you see qad, anything that would follow is going to be what? Verb. And this is the verb, zahaba, verb. So this is the first sign. Then the second sign, so we have ta'u ta'nis as-sakina. Which is known to be feminine ta. Alright, so example, let's look at example. So we have dhahabat fatimatu. Fatima went. Zahabat. So as you can see, this is the ta'u ta'nis as-sakina. So it is attached to this verb. So by attaching to this verb, so definitely, so this is what it attached to is a verb. Do you understand that? So that is ta'u ta'nis as-sakina. So because it's a feminine ta, yes, because the person that went is a what? Is a female. So Fatima is a female. She's a female. So that is ta'u ta'nis as-sakina. So this is another sign to recognize a verb. You understand? So that is that. Then the third, which is sin. We have sin or sawfa. So example is sawfa aktub. So which means I will write. You understand? So I'm not writing now. I'm not currently writing. So I would write. So which means it only comes. So this sawfa only comes before the present. Yes, present verb, to indicate the future. To indicate what? The future. So it comes before the present verb. So to indicate what? The future. So which means whenever you see sawfa, so it comes before. So this is before the present verb. So it's indicating for us here future or happening. Yes. So that is saufa aktub, which means I'm not writing right now, but I will write. All right. So we also have sin as well. So let me just put down the example of sin. Let me just put the marker here. So for sin, so example will be sa ak tub. Sa ak tubu. So sa ak tubu. All right. So which means I would write. I will also write. Do you understand? So saufa here, aktub, I will write. Yes, here too, sa aktub, I will write. So which means is they are having same meaning. Do you understand? But you have to understand that this, when saufa is used, so it is used, it implies more distant future. So maybe, for instance, now I will write maybe tomorrow, so I can use saufa. But if I'm writing, maybe I'm not writing now, I will be writing the next 1 hour, so I can use sa, just sing. So which implies near future. Yes, something that will happen very, very soon. But saufa, something that will happen in a more distant future. So which means so that's the differences between the sin and saufa. And whenever you see it, anything that will come after it is going to be what? A verb. So present verb. So saufa aktub. Yes, present verbs. So saufa aktub, sa aktub. So same meaning, but in their usage, so saufa comes in a more distant future, while sin comes in a near future. So it is usually used for something that will happen very soon. Yes. So these are the signs. These are the 4 signs of verb. So we have kot, we have ta with tanis, asakina, which is known to be feminine ta. Then the third one is sin, or saufa. Sin or saufa. Okay. Then the fourth one is ta ul fa'il. Ta ul fa'il. It is called ta of the doers. Ta of the doers. Yes, so ta ul fa'il. Alright, so example of that is we have katabtu. We have katabtu. Yes, for 2 here, so katabtu. I wrote. Katabta. He wrote. Katabti. She wrote. You understand? So katabtu, I wrote. Katabta, he wrote. Katabti, she wrote.